Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Mamabearkitchenette. My name is Mahwish Bilal and I am a mom of two little bears, which makes me Mama Bear. Got it? Get it? Good! With this channel, I wanted to do something where I just share easy, short, follow-along cooking recipes, especially for all my beautiful moms out there. So, if you think this is your cup of tea, consider subscribing to Mamabearkitchenette. No spaces because hey, we moms got no time to waste. So, today we are going to make egg rolls with chicken filling. This is something you can make ahead of time for your unexpected guest, so you don't have to panic and get a sigh of relief. You got this covered. So, let's jump right into it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your company. Do let me know which recipes you want me to share next. Will ya?